hurry up back there.
Hey.
Papa needs his medicine.
That's
yeah.
disgusting. Please don't ever call yourself Papa again.
Okay. You say so. Wait a minute. Nope. Get your
What?
fucking feet away from me. You know how I feel about personal space.
Oh,
Just
sorry. Better?
That is literally what I just asked you not to do.
Right. I know. It's just
So-
really fun to mess with you.
Oh,
Yeah.
congratulations on turning 9.
Thank
years
you.
old.
Thank you
Great.
very much.
You know what? You are worse than like those kids who were screaming in the movie theater yesterday.
They were not even screaming. They were whispering.
They were borderline supersonic.
Oh my god. Just wait until you have kids of your own someday.
I'll be waiting forever. I'm never having kids. Ever.
You are 20 years old. Like, how does that even make sense? How can you make that assumption?
Well, because I've thought about it. Wait, you know what? No.
Okay.
Don't make this some serious, deep conversation.
Right.
I'm never having kids. That's it.
I just don't understand how you can't be a dad. Like, you were the most dad person I know.
What?
You shop at Costco.
Great deal.
You are wearing $3 Crocs.
$2 got
You
on
gave me
sale.
a lecture on rechargeable batteries
You are welcome.
after making me promise not to drink Diet Coke.
Okay, 1, aspartame is an assassin in a can.
Okay.
And 2, that doesn't make me a dad. That's like me saying, oh, you are wearing a dress. Michelle Obama is wearing a dress. You are the first lady.
Yeah, but anyone can wear a dress in today's society. It's not just a woman thing anymore.
What? You can't just inject a social
I'm just
justice
saying.
issue in here, all right? We're talking about you and your hypothetical, perfect future children.
Right, the ones that don't exist.
Don't exist. Wait, so are you saying that you don't want
Okay,
kids?
it
and you're
doesn't matter.
lecturing
It doesn't
me?
matter. Just drop it, okay?
It feels like it matters.
Maybe it's because I can't fucking have kids.
Come on. We are not on that level.
Why are we even friends? You are such an asshole.
All right, how about this? Don't think of us as friends. Think of us as like workplace acquaintances.
Oh, okay, so me telling you something that's been on my mind for about a week is just, it's office talk.
Oh my God, you got it. Thank you so much.
Cool. Yeah, bye.
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 Get out.
Bye.
Bye.
I don't have any other friends.
I know. You see, this is why we don't have these deep personal conversations, because it always ends with one of us, kablang, getting really uncomfortable, and it's just not something we want to do.
Okay, so we're just like this basic cable level friendship.
For future reference, your words, not mine, but yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
All right. Want to watch Fox News?
No.
Me neither.